DropGecko is a one-of-a-kind product that enables you to easily crack the code for e-commerce. It will offer you everything you need, like store builder, lists of in-demand products, and margin manager to set up and manage a high-converting store on your own. More importantly, this tool even lets you have direct interaction with several product suppliers from all over the world, as well as calculating the lowest yet most reasonable price for your products. Sounds like a great way to bombard your business with sales, don't you think? Also, DropGecko runs on a cloud-based platform that can easily be mastered without any technical skill or marketing experience. In short, it is perfect for those that are new to the e-commerce field, the good and the not so good. The good, 30-day money-back guarantee. Easy to set up and easy to use. Integrated with numerous product suppliers in any niche. Good-looking cloud-based store. Choose your own profit margins with a recommendation if needed. Chrome extension simplifies the fulfillment and delivery process. The not-so-good upgrades. Here are a few of the features. Your choice of designs. You can choose between 5 designs and then have a few options with your header design as well. For an upgrade, you get 5 more designs as well as discounted prices on additional designs. Payment gateway can connect to your PayPal account. With upgrades, have additional choices such as Stripe, 2CO, Braintree, and a few others. The customer then stays on your site for upsells after purchase. Retargeting. You can add a retargeting pixel to extend the reach of your offer to your selected audience. Shipping options. It's your choice whether the shipping is free or paid. Free would be at your expense. If you upgrade, you can offer Shippo, where your buyers can then pick up their product at various locations. Blog. Once your store is set up, it includes a blog that is SEO optimized. Good selection of products. You can add up to 500 products with the import function. You can get them from a variety of sources such as AliExpress. With an upgrade, you can add additional products. Browser extension. This notifies you when you make a sale through their email system, and you then place the order with your wholesaler, providing them with shipping details. Margin manager. Here is where you choose the price at which you want to sell your product by determining a percentage or dollar amount above the wholesale price. You determine your profit. Domain name. You have the option of using a subdomain or using your own domain name. The video I provided above shows you how to set up your own domain. Choice of product types. In addition to drop shipping, you can also offer affiliate products as well as digital downloads. This is all set up in your administration dashboard. Sales boosters. With the standard account, you get 3 of these types of sales enhancements such as buy button flips, cart expiry timers, countdown timers, etc. With an upgrade to their Pro account, you get their full library of sales enhancers, which is about $15 price. The front-end product sells for $47 as a one-time investment. Now for the upgrades, you can get additional features with the Pro version which I mentioned above, as well as paying extra for a newsletter service, a reseller license, and an agency license. Pro version includes more designs, more sales boosters, embed videos, currency switcher tool, customized call to action buttons, geographic IP recognition, live traffic count, and others, ability to create coupon codes, Google Marketplace integration, viral referral program built in, more products, autoresponder integration, and Facebook Marketplace integration. E-newsletter service. This is an annual subscription where you can have your leads emailed targeted offers which send them back to your store. Agency license. This allows you to create and flip 10 new stores each month. Reseller license. You can make money promoting this software product